Hey Pitmasters, today we're going to be grilling a $150 steak and we're going to love every minute of it. Look at this beautiful cut of beef. It's absolutely gorgeous. 2.7 kilograms of Rubia Gallica. Rubia Gallica is the breed of cow. And they raise this cow in Galicia, which is a northern western part of Spain. And it's absolutely gorgeous. So today it's all about this cut. We're not going to do anything special, we're just going to do it right. So we're going to season it with a little bit of salt and then smoke it. So I'm going to use Madon salt. And Madon salt is salt that has a particular shape. It's made out of pyramids. So the crystal of the Madon salt is shaped in pyramid style. And you might think that it's a little bit overdone to use a salt like that, but the reason why I like using salt like this on a steak is that these pyramids, they melt away. So if you get one of these crystals on the beef, it will melt and spread out. Where if you use rock salt, it will stay in the same place. Because of the thickness of this steak, you can't really have too much salt on the outside. Now we're going to start off by smoking this cut of beef, and the reason that we want to do that is because we wanted to get to temperature slowly, and we might as well add a little bit of smoke flavor to it. I'm using some hickory for smoking it, and hickory will produce a heavy smoke. And that's a good thing because it will stand out against grilling the steak, which will also provide a lot of flavor. Now I'm setting in the deflector plates. And I'm putting in the grill grates. And our beautiful steak on top. We're going to smoke this beautiful steak at 150 degrees Celsius, which is 300 degrees Fahrenheit, until it reaches a core temperature of 50 degrees Celsius. While our steak is slowly getting up to temperature, we want to make sure that we got the right temperature and we're not exceeding the temperature that we want to reach. So I'm getting a reading of 25 degrees Celsius, so we're halfway there. Now we started off with a cold steak, so that's about right. I want to flip the steak over just to make sure that we get an equal amount of heat on every side. Oh boy, I'm already getting hungry. So it's a little over 50 degrees Celsius. We're taking it off the grill. And be careful. You don't want it to fall off the bone at this moment. Now we're going to change it up a little bit. We're going to take out the deflector plates and we're going to put in this cast iron half moon, and that's going to create a beautiful crust for the meat. So we'll take out these grill grates, take out these deflector plates, and with a little poke we're going to center the coals. Put in our half moon at a low position. Take a little bit of oil, a piece of paper towel. And now we're going to give it some time to really heat up. Well, it's blazing hot. And we're going to add just that little bit of touch of oil more. And then we're gonna put the steak right on. Now we got a nice bit of sear, and we're going to take our steak off the grill, put it on the board, and we're gonna let it rest. This steak has been resting for 10 minutes, and now we're going to Take it off the bone. Oh, it almost falls off the bone. Look at that. And then cut off the bottom part of the bone. We already can see we got a nice bit of coloration from the smoke. Look at that. Beautiful. And we can smell it, because normally if you just grill a steak, you only get that grill smell, the Maillard effect. But now we also get a good dose of smoke flavor. Look at that smoke ring. Whoa. So we cooked it to medium well done, 57 degrees, because I wanted the fat to fully melt. You know, a piece like this you don't want to cook rare. It has so much fat in it. We want to see that marbling melt all over the meat, and that's the way you get the best juicy beef there is. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. On the outside of the beef, you can see we got this beautiful smoke ring. Gorgeous. Well, thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and of course the steak turned out delicious. But if you ever get the chance to grill a steak like this, make it for a special occasion, get a good bottle of wine and really enjoy the process of cooking it, do it right, and then have a feast. Give me a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and see you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk.